RDDT stock analysis and RDDT stock prediction. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end. We Reddit Incorporated, we're sitting at $65.99, 7% off for the day. I myself am still bullish with Reddit. Like, if you watched the previous idea that I had, I mean, that delivered. And I mean, it was overall good, bullish, moving and stuff. And this is what happens right now, you know, this is how I would approach it. To take a real good buy here and, you know, kind of a day/swing type of thing, I don't think it's going to be swing, maybe over a couple of days. Is only if the price does a little retrace inside my zone, give the rules. It really depends when I say the rules, right? Then the confirmation, it's really just, I mean, up to you, because I've provided you more confirmations to use. So these are one of two. I'm starting to use like this double break, and the other one is like good, just a last candle break. But yeah, still gonna keep you updated. Just for context, I'm using my strategy that's previously given me thousands of wins. If you want to learn it for free, check out the first link in the description. See you in the next one.